Hello people, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video, without wasting any time, we are going to learn about how to make circles in AutoCAD, and I'm going to teach you four different ways to do it. Okay, so the first way is the default way about making a circle with the dimension of the radius, right? And the shortcut command for this is C enter, and you have to specify the center point of the circle, which and then you have to specify the radius what you want to be, right? So just specifying the radius or just dragging your cursor, you can make the circle real easy and real quick. The second way to do is by defining the diameter of the circle, that is the end to end measurement of the circle. As you can see on my screen, that what do I really mean by a diameter, right? So if you specify the diameter or you just drag the cursor, you can even make the circle in this way. Then going forward to the second point is a two-point method. This is usually used if you have seen my older videos, then I have told that this type of circle is used in measure drawings of architecture plans. So in this you have to specify the first point, and then you have to specify in which direction do you want this circle to be. It is more as same as the as you make a circle with a diameter, but you have here you have the freedom to you can make the circle in any direction, any angle you want, but the circle is a circle only. So going forward to the fourth way to make a circle is a 3 point circle, right? So as the name suggests, the 3 point means that you have to specify the first point, then you have to specify the second point, and then by specifying the third point you can draw a circle as ever way you want. As you can see on my screen, I'm just moving my cursor, and you can see that the circle is being created, right? So it is this simple to create a circle in AutoCAD, and I have showed you four different ways to do it. Okay, so tell me down in the comments that what fits better and which is the best way for you that works, and share it with someone who may need it.